Jai Srinath sir, good morning.
Good morning, Jesam Narayan. How are you all?
You are great sir.
Yeah, always great.
Jesam sir, good morning.
Jesam Narayan.
Jai Srinath, good morning, Rajesh sir.
Very good morning, Shivani.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, good morning, good morning.
Jai Swaminarayan sir, good morning.
Very good morning. Boys, you have done homework that I have given
Yes
you.
sir.
Yes sir.
How many of you have done the homework? Please raise your hands on screen. Those who completed homework. So rest of you won't get. I'll be writing down names. What about others? Abhirup, AB 4388. Dhoni, Rakesh, not completed homework.
Sir, and what's on sir?
Yeah.
1 minute, sir.
By using
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
those who completed, show me homework on screen. On screen, turn on your video. Show me.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm looking for book.
Okay, Tarun. Very good, Tarun.
Thank you sir.
Harshit. Very good. Akshay. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Kritik Tejas. Good. Govardhan. Well done. Govardhan. Very good. Very good. What about others? Rakesh. Good. Sarvesh. Nice. Very good, Sarvesh. What about others? Surya is not showing. Shomani, Sai Rohit, Abhirup. So you did not do homework. Yeah. Today's class already few completed, no? Yes or no, boys?
Yes sir, the few completed.
Next one, little, a little, and
The little.
the little. Yeah. Little keeps abating, little, Little. Little. Emphasizes. Little emphasizes. Little emphasizes. Emphasizes spelling. EMPH ASISES. EMPHA SISES emphasizes. The little emphasizes the lack of something. Little emphasizes the lack of something.
Lack of
Lack of something. Have I written?
Yes, sir.
Next, write example. Example. Emphasizes meaning. What is the meaning of emphasizes?
shows that
Describes. Emphasize means describes. Write down. We have little money. We have little money.
Example,
right
sir.
now. Yeah, example. We have little money right now. Right, RIGHT, right. Right now. Is my voice clear to you
Yes,
all?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So we have a little money right now means it is showing that saying warning indirectly, be careful, you have little money, spend very less money. Next, a little. A little. A little, that is pronounced as a little. Nikhil Rathod is in the class. Nikhil Rathod. Check it out, anybody. Nikhil Rathod is in the class or not?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Not came, sir.
No, not. Okay, okay. A little emphasizes that something still remains. A little emphasizes that something still remains. Two days I had work in Vijayawada. That's what I did not come to class. Example. Remains spelling have you written? Remains, REMAINS. Remains. Example. There's a little ice cream left. There's a little ice cream. Whenever you write ice cream, after writing ICE dash or colon, cream, ice cream, in between ice cream, you have to keep on a small column.
Repeat, sir.
There is a little ice cream left. There is a little ice cream left. So we still have some ice cream left, but somebody is asking who wants to eat a little. And the little signifies, the little signifies, the little signifies not much, not much. Not much. Karan, why are you late to class? Karan, Purushottam, Kaushik Reddy, you are all late to the class. Don't be late to the class. 13 minutes late.
Sir, got book, sir.
13 minutes late. The little signifies not much. Example, the little sugar she had. The little sugar she had. She doesn't have no that much sugar. So whatever she has given to somebody else or her neighbors. The little sugar she had, comma, she gave to her neighbor. The little sugar she had, comma, she gave to her neighbor. Shivamani, what is a neighbor spelling? Neighbor.
Neigbour.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Neigbour.
Sir, once repeat the sentence. Sir.
The little sugar she had, comma, the little sugar she had, comma, she gave to her neighbor. Next, keep subheading much and many. M-U-C-H, much, and M-A-N-Y, many. Not money, many. First, much, where we use much means keep side heading. Side heading. Much. Uses of much. We use much We use much. We use much. We use much with singular uncountable nouns. With singular uncountable nouns. With singular uncountable nouns. We use much. Under the much, just underline the word much. We use much with singular uncountable nouns. We can't count. Uncountable nouns means rice. Can you count?
Sugar.
Salt.
Sugar, salt, sand,
Milk.
air,
Water.
milk,
Water.
water. Very good. Oil. Like that, so many are there.
Oil
So
also.
uncountable nouns. Yeah, the noun which we cannot count called uncountable nouns. Now, example. Example. I haven't got much change. I haven't means I have not got. I have not got. I have not got much change. I have not got much change. Change is uncountable noun. So I have a 100 rupee note. So I don't have any change. I don't have any change. Instead of using any change, I don't have much change. You can use much. You can ask interrogative sentences also. Interrogative sentences also will be used much. Interrogative sentences. Example. Is there much unemployment? Is there I capital? Is there much unemployment in that area? Is there much unemployment in that area? Is there much unemployment in that area? Question mark. Keep everybody question mark. For English, punctuations are very, very important. It will be noticed in the board exam, especially while your question and answers, story writing, whatever you write, you have to follow punctuation at the end of sentence, full stop. Next, many. Keep side heading. Keep side heading. Many. M-A-N-Y, many. Side heading. We use many. We use many. Many, underline many. What happened, Ramavatar? You left the class?
Sir, disconnected,
You
sir.
are late to
It
class.
disconnected automatically.
Okay. We use many. Ramavatar, have you written this interrogative sentence
No, sir.
by using much?
Yes, sir.
Is there
Much I wrote, sir.
is there much unemployment in that area? Question mark. Is there
Okay, sir.
much unemployment in that area? Next, many. We use many with plural nouns. We use many. Under the word many, you have to underline. We use many with plural nouns. Plural nouns. Example,
Sir, after plural what, sir?
plural nouns. N-O-U-N-S. Example, are there many shops? Are there many shops next to your house? Are there many shops? Shops. Are there many shops? Why Pranay Sai joined now? Pranay Sai, what happened? Are
Sir,
there
once
many
you can
shops?
repeat, sir.
Are there many shops next to Nikhil Rathod? Welcome, Nikhil Rathod. Nikhil
Sir,
Rathod?
still he connecting audio.
Okay.
Sir, he
Came,
connected.
sir. He came, sir.
Sir, he connected to audio also.
Nikhil Rathod? Good morning, Jason Narayan.
Sir.
How are you, man?
Sir. Great, sir.
You came late to class and great. Is it
No,
great
sir.
to come to class late?
Very sad, sir.
Okay, good. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, comparative determiners. What are the comparative determiners? Anybody can give it? Who is Alampalli?
Shreyaj.
Sreyaja. Alampalli. Better. Alampalli. Okay. Comparative determiners.
More, less, fewer.
Very good. Keep subheading more, less, more, less, 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 and fewer, 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 fewer. These three are called comparative determiners. So where to use, I am telling, where to use the usage of comparative determiners. We use more, we use more, or less, less. We use more or less. Underline the words more and less, both underline. We use more or less before singular uncountable nouns. Singular uncountable nouns. We use more or less before singular uncountable nouns by adding than, THEAN, by adding than, THEAN, underline, THEAN, than, after it, comma, or. So we use more or less before singular uncountable nouns by adding than, after it, comma, or for an additional additional ADDITIONA, for an additional.
Repeat from first.
We use more or less before singular uncountable nouns by adding than, after it, comma, or for an additional or lesser quantity, for an additional or lesser quantity, lesser, LESSER, for an additional or lesser quantity, of something, Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Now write example. 2 examples for more, 2 examples for less. Most of the people, they don't know these determiners where to use and how to use, no, while talking or no writing. So many simply they'll use the numbers. Okay, determiners are really avoided while talking. The people, they simply forget to use these words are very important. Example. I do more work. I do more work. I do more work than Rahul. I do more work than THEAN. I do more work than Rahul. You can write to your own friends also. If you are working more than somebody, you can write their name also, no problem. Next example. Please give me some more salad. Please give me some more. Please give me some more salad. Now by using less example. Nikhil does less work than Nikhil does less work than Shomani. Nikhil does less work than Shomani. Less work than Shomani. Next example. I want less ice cream. I want less ice cream than Karan. I want less ice cream than Karan. So I eat very less ice cream. Karan likes ice cream very much.
No, sir. If I
So
eat ice cream, my head will hurt.
I want less ice cream than Karan. Next one, fever. Fever, uses of fever I'm telling, just to keep side heading. FEWER. We have another 4 more minutes. Fever. We use fever. Fever means FEWER. Don't write FEVER. We use fever before plural countable nouns. Before plural countable nouns.
Sir, repeat it once again, sir.
We use fewer, underline the word fewer. We use fewer before plural countable nouns. Before plural countable nouns to refer to, R-E-F-E-R, to refer to a group of things, a group of things, a group of things smaller than, a group of things smaller than another, smaller than another. So we use fewer before plural countable nouns to refer to a group of things smaller than another. Example,
A group of things after, sir.
a group of things smaller than
Another.
another. Smaller than another. Example, fewer students who is Sai Kiran Reddy?
Sir, Kiran sir.
Pavakuntla Sai.
Fewer students succeeded. Fewer students succeeded. Succeeded. S-U-C-C-E-E-D. Fewer students succeeded. S-U-C-C-E-E-D. Fewer students succeeded in passing than last year. In passing, in passing, P-A-S-S-I-N-G, in passing, than, T-H-E-A-N, than last year. Last year.
Sir, once
Time is completed. We had fewer computers a year ago. We had, another example, we had, time completed, we had fewer computers a year ago. We have fewer computers a year ago. Not simply writing, just you have to practice. You have to read and write number of example. Now today whatever I have told you have to each one 5 examples you have to write your own.
Sir,
5 examples, homework.
Sir, before one tell, sir.
5 examples you have to write.
Sir, before example tell, sir.
Fewer students succeeded in passing than last year. That is the first example. Fewer students succeeded in passing than last year. Second example, we had fewer computers a year ago. Okay? Understand, boys? Everybody should do homework without fail.